Here is the EcoSmart soft white 300 watt equivalent CFL bulb. Actually, it's not. This was a spare I had. I think I had a video on this way back when I think Sharkley was over and we farted around with it a bit. It says 68 energy used in watts. Okay. 10,000 life in hours. Okay. Lasts 9 years warranty. Okay. Yeah. This is the box for it. In the box is the old 150 watt bulb that I pulled out from the garage that had stopped working. But I found something interesting. If I could just get this open. There's even grass on it. That's nice. Here's the bulb. It's certainly browned nicely over the years. You could see inside as well. There you go. Browned and yellowed. This bulb, which is probably over 15 years old, Commercial Electric. Here it is. SKU 772-720, model ES42, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 42 watts, 0.617 amps. And that's all it says. So that was 42 watts or something. And this is 68 watts, I think it said. Yeah. So that's good. We just increased the electric bill. And does this have lumens? It does. 4,200 lumens for the new bulb. Here's the old one, but I found something interesting. Let me get a cord. Okay, I'll get a cord. When I went to replace this bulb, and I will show you, of course, the new bulb in service, when I went to replace it, I kind of just touched this, and it sort of tried to light. Let's see if we have the same luck, or if it finally died. Look at that. It's trying. Now, you can see, I don't know if the camera picks it up, it's like blue there. It almost wants to light. And for a while it was doing this flicker job like this. It's like almost lighting. Oh, it's making Chinese sounds. Oh, look, it lit! Oh, damn it! It actually lit! Oh! And that's what I found. Now it's dead. But we got it to light one last time on video. I'm thinking it's actually a wiring problem. Ooh, that is hot. I'm thinking it's actually a wiring problem inside of it. Because you heard that like sizzle sound. Hopefully. But this tube is shot. That is red hot over there. So it worked one last time. Is there arcing on the thing there? Doesn't look great, but it doesn't look bad. I think there's a wire brush here, yeah. Okay. We'll try it one more time, just for shits and grins. I'll plug this in again. Yeah, there. So maybe this bulb, whoop, nope. It's trying. There's something wonky with it. Yeah, see, it just almost lit again. Ah, something wonky definitely with it. But it's definitely on its way out because it's flickering like mad to try to get started and should not get hot like it's doing there. And you can even tell that it's like melty. Where's the, there you go. So it kind of almost sort of a little bit sort of still works, kind of almost maybe. But that's the end of the road for that. That was some life out of that CFL bulb. I'm going to put my orange bulb back, I guess, while we're here. Neep. So we'll put that back. And I will take you out to the garage and show you the replacement 300 watt bulb. Okay, it's over. That's the incandescent, and that's it right there. It has a little bit of a slow startup. Delayed a little. Nothing I can do about that. It is similar to, but not identical to, this bulb. They look very similar, but they're not quite the same. Bought them at different times. So I'll just leave them for a few, let them warm up, and show you then. So there it is up close. Camera has adjusted for it, of course. And let me zoom out of that. And we'll zoom in on this one. There he is. Similar, but not quite the same. But now, there are two 300 watt CFLs and two 300 watt incandescents, 100 watts in each, 75, I don't remember what's in them, don't remember anymore, just whatever bulbs are laying around. But yeah, it's nice and bright in here, really bright over by the AC now, just nice. Doors lit up real nice, up to the ceiling, of course, down to the floor everywhere. All good. Back wall, and I can, of course, turn on the bench. So I have these hybrid CFL halogen GE bulbs. I only ever bought two of them, and those are the ones. And up in here, pardon the poor camera work, are the fluorescent tubes that came with the benches. And that's it. And of course this thing up here, many videos on that many years ago. And I'll head to the back of the garage and show you everything on. There is no reason that anybody's shed or garage or anything like that should not be lit up like this. You can see everything in this garage. Are there other lighting choices? Sure there are. Sure there are. But this is nice. Everything is just bright and nice and good. Oh yeah, definitely love it. That's all great. And if I only ever clean out the garage, I could have some room in here. 1 year, long time ago, Sharkley and I, we had some room in here then. And we sat in here and we had a video on that. I'll try to find the link and put that in the prescription. Remember to check the prescription on all the videos, because going forward I'm going to be putting links to other videos of stuff I've mentioned and things like that, because I've just been doing this so long now. There are plenty of videos out there that I've already had, or updates to things, or anything like that. And it's nice to see, you know, what's propagated in time like that. And again, you know, you need to watch 2 of those videos and then see like another in the morning to get your daily dose of vitamin J. So there we are, the new 300 watt CFL, the old 300 watt CFL. And this one is just a bit brighter, probably because it's newer and that's got hours on it. This has not even an hour on it, probably. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.